Hello! This project is a collaborative effort by a multidisciplinary team at Google, including UX engineer David Murphy, UX designer Angelica Rosenzweig Castillo, and UX researchers Jude Yu and Noah Kersey. Our collective research interests are around enhancing developer productivity and building useful interfaces for human AI collaboration. In the world of software engineering, rapid root cause analysis is vital for code health, yet debugging failures remains incredibly time consuming. Engineers on our team often have to wade through over 100,000 log lines per run, struggling to find differences between good and anomalous runs while bridging expertise gaps in complex subsystem behaviors. Our work focuses on treating these logs as code data, a shared knowledge base that an LLM can help distill into actionable insights. Looking ahead, our work continues to generate more questions than answers, and we've been orienting around the question of how do we provide genuine utility through collaborative agentic workflows? To address this, we've identified a few research questions for this workshop to consider. Inclusivity of knowledge. How might we design human LLM interactions that are more inclusive of the expert and tacit knowledge developers carry? Proactive collaboration. How can we get models to better ask for help or request additional context from subject matter experts when they hit a wall? Verification and trust. How can we establish mechanisms for early data verification to create lasting confidence in agentic systems? And finally, emergent behavior. How do we account for the unexpected in designing agentic tooling? In our initial user cohort, our tool saved engineers 15 to 60 minutes per triage session. We're excited to participate in this workshop as a place to think through how AI can act as a reasoning partner rather than just a search tool or answer machine. We look forward to discussing these challenges with you all. Thank you.